little nervous. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Ryan Ross, and on this channel we review products from Amazon, the internet, and whatever you guys send me. On this channel today, we're checking out VEVOR's log splitter. On Amazon, it retails for $369.99. So if you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. But yeah, let's unbox her, let's see what's inside, let's set it up, and let's chop some wood. Let's get started.
Oh, she's heavy.
Here's the instruction manual. So all that came inside that box was this machine and the manual. It is already put together. My first impressions right out of the box, she is a little oily. That's all right. I'd rather have it a little oily than dry and rusting, but I just want to make sure nothing else is leaking. I don't know if that's like for the pump or something like that, or hydraulics. We're gonna look around and see if we're seeing any leaks or if that's just how it ships. It is on wheels, which is really nice, but man, this thing is heavy, I would say. I believe this is a 6.5-ton log splitter, just a 110 plug, but you can see it's like really greasy or oily. So hopefully it's not leaking anywhere. I do like this handle here. That's pretty nice. It looks like there's a bolt right here. I don't know if that might be for some hydraulic fluid or whatever the case, whatever this takes. I should just glance at the manual, guys. I don't want to mess anything up. If I fire it up, there's not enough hydraulic fluid in. Here's the manual, you guys. I'll go quickly through it. Some safety stuff, fire protection or prevention. Fluid drain knob, number 6. Where's 6 at? 6. So right here, front view. So we're gonna go ahead and look at that and see if the levels are correct before we start this machine. Ah, wow, that was on there. Whoa, it's a rod. Here it is right down here. So there's a notch here and a notch right here, about 2 inches or an inch or so. That's probably where it wants to be in between. We went ahead and just wiped her off quick. We'll dip her back in, just like an oil on your car. Let it sit for 1-2 seconds. Unscrew her. Oh yeah, it looks like it's way up here. So there's plenty of oil in there, or if that's gear oil or hydraulic fluid, whatever that is. So we're gonna go in the back, guys, and then we're gonna go plug her in, and we're gonna start loading up some logs and chopping and see what she's all about. One thing I do recommend, guys, is getting a thicker gauge extension cord. You can have some technically problems with like the motor if it's drawing too much, and that can't handle it. You can screw up your motor up there. So just a thought. If something's not working right, using a thicker gauge extension cord. So we are in the backyard. We went ahead and set up the log splitter, kind of just rolled it up and plugged it into an outlet, and it's ready to go. So right on this side is going to be your lever. That's going to kind of engage it. You also got to press this button to engage it. So this doesn't do anything if you just press it alone or by itself. But if you press this down and hold the button, it goes forward. It's a little slow, but hey, I got some time. It will stay still if you hold this lever like I am, but once you release this lever, it should start to go back. And it's that simple. So we're gonna go ahead and load some logs on this and start splitting, see what it can handle. These I just cut down maybe a week or 2 ago. This is, I believe it's an ash tree. I'm not familiar with different kinds of woods, or hardnesses of woods, but I'm pretty sure this was a baby ash tree. As you can see, it's about 6 inches in diameter. Hold down the lever, press the button. Splitter, no problem. We'll go ahead and just spin her. Like butter. I I always wondered how it would do this way and see what would happen. We're gonna just see what happens. Hopefully I don't break it. Or hopefully it doesn't shoot out at me, but I'm a little nervous. Not doing anything. Gave it a good smush. So I think this one, it's not gonna fit. So we're gonna have to maybe cut that down or see if I have another one. Oh, I think I have another one. It's kind of already cracked right here, but we'll see what happens. Same thing, I think this was an old ash tree. Struggling with this. So it is struggling with this. So this is a 6.5 ton, but you can see it's doing it. If I gave it a couple more tries, I bet it would go through. Let's just chop it this way. Hit kind of the center of one of the branches here instead of where the Y is. There we go, now it's cracking. This system of 2 hands is a little annoying. I wish it kind of automatically did it, but I bet that's for safety, so no worries, just rather be safe than sorry, right? Call that a success. So I'm just going to show you guys what your cutting or splitting area is. It is around 20.5 inches, give or take, 20 3/4. So you can fit a 20 3/4 inch log in here and it should split it. It did stop right around here at 4 inches. So you would, to get full length, you probably need a little spacer or another piece of wood you just throw behind it and then push it forward completely through. The total length of this is roughly 38 inches by 10.5 or 11 just to be safe. And how tall it is 16 inches tall. Well, we'll go with this. 18 inches tall being the spike side. There are some modifications we can probably do. We can probably make this taller. We can probably make this taller too as well. Yeah, and you could probably somehow weld a bracket that goes this way and make it so it can get bigger logs in there. But I kind of want to see if I can stand this up and cut wood. And I want to see if we can cut logs like this, which I don't see why you couldn't. You just can't really get to that lever. Somehow make a foot pedal. Look at that. So you can cut it upright too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but I think that would be pretty cool if you make a casing around this, kind of make it waterproof, leave it outside, make it look cool. And then you can just cut wood whenever you need to in the little house and have your wood out here. Make a little house right here and you can throw wood on there and cut it so I don't have to keep moving it in and out. I do like it was on wheels, so you can easily roll it into your shed or your garage or wherever you store your tools and stuff for outside. You can roll it on the go. It's really easy to move. And that's all we got today, guys. Go check out VEVOR at VEVOR.com or VEVOR on Amazon. The link will be in the description below for the log splitter. Go check them out if you're interested in the product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.